The Nature of Inner Knowledge. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Inner knowledge, as articulated within the framework of Theosophy, refers to the esoteric wisdom that underlies the exoteric practices and beliefs of religious traditions. This knowledge is often obscured by dogma and ritual, yet it remains accessible to those who are engaged in a rigorous process of introspection and inquiry. Theosophical teachings assert that this inner knowledge is not confined to any single religion. Rather, it is a universal truth that can be discerned through the study of comparative religion, philosophy, and metaphysics. This understanding encourages individuals to embark on a personal journey of discovery, where they can uncover the wisdom that lies within themselves and recognize its reflection in the teachings of various faiths.